Hey YouTube, Doug here from Bessie Custom Fab. It's been a while since I posted a video. I've been super busy. Actually, May was the busiest month I've ever had, which is good. Thumbs up. But not much time to work on the Pontiac Rat Rod. And I had to do some work to it, so stick around. I'll tell you all about it. Okay, well, last video I think I had it started, but no runny. Now I got it running. Runs great, except I put the torque converter in wrong, destroyed my transmission pump, and doesn't like to run with no transmission pump. What the fuck? So it wouldn't go into gear. So I had to pull the transmission, which being a C5 Corvette chassis, take the transmission out. You got to take the rear suspension out. Sorry, it's hard to see. The cradle's got to come out. The whole differential, rear end. Fuel system. Ugh. It's a nightmare. I will never put a torque converter in wrong on purpose again. Give me a good opportunity to rebuild the exhaust. Took out the catalytic converters. Don't tell anyone. Let's try it. Let's start it up. Starts good, runs good. Not too loud. Unless I push the loud button. Now, listen. Ridiculous. Let's make that quiet again. There we go. And I'll shut that off because if I don't, then the last 20 minutes of this video is going to be me being revived by the paramedics. And nobody wants to watch that, especially me. So anyway, it's all back together. Fuel system's all in, obviously. Everything's good. It runs. I have fluid in the transmission. I just have to top up the tranny and then it should go into gear. Everything should work. And my next video is going to be me burning the fucking tires off this thing. Like my videos, subscribe. Bessie Custom Fab, rock and roll.